Welcome back to the fascinating world of cutting-edge health optimization and longevity. In the 9th segment, Dr. Jin Xiong She talked about the 4 questions we need to ask before buying any supplements. Let's dive into today's episode, where we discuss the 5 health challenges NAD helps us with.
NAD helps with 5 main health challenges, if I remember correctly. What are those 5?
Well, there are more than 5. The most important one is chronic fatigue. The second one is arthritis, inflammation, pain. You can put them all into one category. And the third one is mental focus, mental clarity. Helps brain fog, and it helps Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease. Fourth one is metabolic dysfunction, longevity, and then that's a big one, aging. I can go on and on because we have actually many customers reporting various improvement after taking the Vitality Boost. It's actually not really just the innovation for NAD. It's the functions that I talk about are associated with the Vitality Boost that we have. NMN or NR may give some of the functions, but not as well as the Vitality Boost. We have people reporting better vision. I very often tell people I still wear my eyeglasses. It didn't work for my vision. We have people reporting hair turning from gray to black. I still have lots of gray hair. So it's personal. So what functional benefits you are going to gain really depends on what issues that you may have and what reasons are causing the problem.
And if you break it down simply, it's basically, if you look at those 5 health challenges, if your body is operating functionally like it's designed, your cells' innate intelligence want to function, they just need the right fuel, need the right energy, they need the right ingredients, and they will, in most cases, function properly. So that's why it's so important to boost your NAD to optimal levels. NAD optimization maximizes your longevity, but enhances your cellular health foundationally, right?
It's not just energy. Energy is the basic function of the NAD molecule. And NAD metabolites were the precursors of NAD. They also have many other functions. For example, NAD and some of the metabolites are very potent anti-inflammatory molecules. And reduction of inflammation is one of the major reasons why the supplement actually works. The regulation of genes, including the genes involved in sleeping, the number of cellular and molecular functions that are really dependent on having the proper level of NAD. ATP is the number one, but ATP is not the only thing that's important.